All right. Shake it off, Sky.
Bella, get ready.
Pressure, come on, pressure.
No ball.
Once they touch that ball, rush in. Go, go, go. Here.
Nice ball, Gilly. Turn it out, red, orange. I want my team color back. Got a man on. Push out, orange.
Then he dribbles it too far in front of her to get it.
Onside.
Shoot!
Andy, it's you. What you see? You got one behind you. Run to it.
Talk, ladies.
One on.
Nice.
Nice work, Alyssa. Now cover her. Cover her, Andy. He's not very fast. Number 9. Any one of our defensive players can be able to cover her. So when it's time to go in, you go in for Gilly. She's left of Dewey. Gilly, you're doing great. Keep it up. For the uninitiated, yes.
Go, Gilly!
Bring it down! Gilly, it's you. Beat her to it. Gilly, take the ball. Gilly, take the ball. There you go. Andy, shut her down.
Good job, goalie!
Bella, what you see?
Help her, ladies!
Bella, what you see? Get it out of there, Orange. What's she calling? Mark a player.
Should they make a wall? Oh, no.
No. It's just parents looking. One of you!
Come on, ladies! Get the ball over to their side!
Kelly, shut her down! There you go! She's a deceptively strong player, Kelly. She's, diminutive, but she's not a diminutive player at all.
Yeah, when I saw her, I was like...
She does this thing where she makes a shot and it looks like... Just shows you that technique is everything.
Nice. Oh.
Jenny, hold the ball! Nice pass!
Come on. Get to the ball before... Oh, she has a ball. Get her!
Good job, Andy!
Great job, Andy. Push it out.
Help Bella, guys!
Out of the goal. Come on, out of there. Push it out. There you go.
Come on, ladies,
Andy,
get it to their side.
great job out there. Goalie.
Come on, Audrey.
Who's in the goal? Orange, turn around. Raph? You cheering behind the goal? Thank you, Raph. It is a good view of the ball hammered into the goal. My goal. All right, goal kick. Come on, Sky! Step it up a little. You guys are doing great. We got 3
Cover Vela.
on this side. Turn around, Odd.
Come on, pressure.
Turn it.
Come on, guys.
Nice.
Blast
Go,
it.
go,
Gilly,
Gilly, it's you.
Get your
Up the
ball.
wall. There you go. Nice pass.
Come on, guys.
Go, 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 go. Go, Orange, go. Go.
Come on, outside.
Yeah, their defense is not that great either.
Stay with it.
Come on, shoot that!
Come on, Pops. There you go.
Oh, God.
Chewy, get that ball back.
Send it through. There you go.
Oh, nice.
Cover them.
There you go.
Keeper.
No, she's not gonna make that. Oh, yes.
Get that ball, Odd.
Nice job, Audrey!
I'm enjoying this so much. I swear, at the end of the season, it's like, that was the best thing I've ever done. Okay, it's corner. They scored on the last one. Cover a player. I'm expecting you to be subbed in anytime. Big kick! Blue, you got to get it out of there. Other Blue. Nice work, Kelly.
Nice, Bella! Help her out, ladies!
Daddy!
It got to be you first.